Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making macaroni salad. You will need 3½ cups of elbow macaroni, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 boiled eggs, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, 2 stalks of celery, 1 cup of red onion, 1 cup of red bell pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1½ teaspoons of salt. To make your dressing, add your mayonnaise, mustard, and honey to a bowl. Now add the vinegar, then whisk until well combined. Set the dressing aside until later. To a large bowl, add your macaroni. Now add your onions, red bell pepper, and celery. Add your eggs and relish, then season with your paprika, salt, and pepper. Now mix until well combined. Pour in your dressing and mix until well coated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.